We know the rising cost of living is having a financial impact on many of our tenants. Rising energy, fuel, and food prices are hitting many people in the pocket. However, you should not suffer in silence. A range of financial support and help is available for you in Perth and Kinross. Did you know the Housing Services has put aside money to help tenants who are finding it difficult to pay their rent? We already have paid out over £200,000 to tenants to help tenants who are finding it difficult to keep up with their rent payments. So if you're finding it hard to pay your rent or bills, you should contact your Locality Housing Team as soon as you can. You may qualify for financial help towards your housing costs. Call your Locality Housing Team on 01738 476 000 and choose option 2 to speak to us. You can also text the word MONEY to 07378 905 209 and we will get in touch with you to talk about how we can help. Get in touch today.